Well, this is a brief video to update you on smoke. Basically, this is at 20 miles an hour on the transformer. The engine hardly moves below that. With a load, you know, you probably have to get up to 30 or 40 to move trains, but we'll find out here shortly. But you can see there's puffs of smoke coming out pretty good. We're running about 5.25 volts at the heater right now. I'm going up to 30, 40, 50. We're at 5.75 volts to the heater. We got a lot more air going through, cooling off the thermistor, so we're adding more heat to it. Plus we have more track power. Track voltage has gone up considerably by this time as well. Now we're at 80, no, 60, I can't read my numbers. 60, 70, 80, and it's about flat out right now. So you'll see the smoke consistency is the same, it's just higher frequency, and we're upwards around 6. It was at 6, went over 6 and then back down. And what happens with the voltage to the heater fluctuates with the temperature of the heater. So that's all part of the control system that makes it work. So you see you're going to have smoke. You can see it, but you're going to have smoke. And then when you slow down, you're going to have smoke. And when you're really crawling around, you're going to have smoke. And that's at 1 puff per revolution according to the mechanical linkage and how all that works. So I did take the vintage thing apart. I was not happy with what had happened during the time I had put it together last time. I had to make some adjustments. I made some changes. I'm making notes in my lab book here, rework smoke. So those will go into the instructions for the assembly, and future systems for this will be built according to this spec here. And the dial-in is, I don't know what we got over there, but we're just off the halfway mark. I would say about 20-25%. So we're leaning towards the more heat, but we have a lower heat, we got a lower ohm. The whole thing is different than anything you've seen before on the Flyer side. So this is a very reliable system. It's not going to burn out, and it should last for quite a while. And I put a pile of hair at the bottom, and I've added some rock wool at the bottom as well, sort of as a reservoir for more oil. So it should be holding oil quite well. And I think now we could put the bare chassis on the rails, even without the body, just see how it does. Maybe we should try that. If I need to, I can put a metal body. Yeah, I've got a 300 metal body on here to get more traction if we thought we needed it. What do you say? We'll give it a shot. We got a couple hours left. I got a couple more engines I want to try. With this setup, I've got 2 more chassis I can assemble just like this. So let's get cranking. All right. I wanted to show you that the smoke was a tune-up, kind of an adjustment, and I had done much more work on the 3D printed stuff with Leon's engine than I had with the Flyer stuff. So this guy wasn't getting the attention over the few weeks. He does have all the latest components, but I hadn't really refined the assembly process as I have done just now. And I think we'll see no leaks. Every ounce of smoke is coming up the stack, and it's working well at low speed and high speed. So I think we're in good shape. I think I'm going to put it on the track real quick, see what it does without a body, then I'll try to find a body to fit it, and then I'm going to get back to work on these other engines. Okay, gang, there you go.